Yesterday, the fire demonstrated significant volatility and advanced rapidly towards the community.
Halos 6 na kilometro ang layo ng apoy mula sa bayan ng Churchill Falls sa Newfoundland and Labrador. Dahilan para sa sapilitang paglikas ng mga residente Miyerkules ng gabi.
Upon reaching a predetermined location that would trigger a recommendation for evacuation, forest officials made that recommendation.
45 minuto lamang ang ibinigay sa halos 700 residente kagabi para mabilisang lumikas at magmaneho 3 oras papunta sa mas ligtas na lugar, patungong Happy Valley Goose Bay. Webes sinabi ng mga opisyal na lumawak ang apoy sa Churchill Falls sa 1,600 ektarya. Nananatili raw ito sa timog na bahagi ng ilog na siyang border ng komunidad. Sa modeling, di naman daw tatawid ang apoy sa kabila ng matinding init at malakas na hangin. Pero dahil dito, itinuturing ang sitwasyon na high risk.
This isn't even 24 hours ago that this evacuation was ordered, and people are safe. They are being cared for. They've had places to stay. They have food. It is really quite remarkable and inspirational. I mean, I'm going to use that word.
Everybody who knows somebody who's been displaced is doing their part to help these people who have had to leave their homes, and please make sure that you also consider the mental health issues and the stress and strain that goes with that, the anxiety that's created in such a quick fashion.
Matatagpuan sa Churchill Falls ang Churchill Falls Generating Station, isang underground hydroelectric power station na nagbibigay serbisyo sa probinsya at ilang bahagi ng Quebec. Ang residente ng Churchill Falls at empleyado ng planta na si Robert Daw ang isa sa mga lumikas kasama ng kanyang pamilya. Tumutuloy siya ngayon sa bahay ng girlfriend sa Happy Valley Goose Bay.
Really scary. So we knew we had to get out for our own health because it was hard to breathe. So everybody was out by their doors, loading up their vehicles, topping up fuel, and heading out of town, getting the big long lineups. And it was a big lineup on the highway the entire drive down. And in front of us and behind us, just continuous traffic.
Parang hindi pa ako makapaniwala na, is this for real? Like, are you really serious na parang evacuate? Like, come on, for what? Parang na medyo na-shock ako kasi hindi pa namin na-experience na before. And then said, okay, I think they're really serious.
Ayon sa Newfoundland and Labrador Hydro, 20 empleyado ang nananatili sa planta para masiguro ang operasyon nito. Pero kung lumala ang sitwasyon, kakailanganin na rin na lumikas sila.
We are thinking of everybody right now in Churchill Falls. And I know that the people of my hometown, Happy Valley Goose Bay, I know that they will look after them and take good care of them. They know what it's like to have to go through something like this.
Dagdag pa ng Federal Minister at MP ng Newfoundland and Labrador, handa ang Ottawa na suportahan ng probinsya na kasalukuyang humaharap sa 6 na iba pang wildfires. Nag-request ng 2 hanggang 4 na water bombers at specialized personnel mula sa feds ang mga opisyal ng probinsya para maapula ang lumalawak na wildfires.
It was great help to know that our government workers are up there diligently working, trying to get the fire out. When all of us are evacuated, they're putting their lives at risk to try to keep our community safe.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.